Okay, children, we are learning about Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, so this is the figure. Last class we have learned that what angle 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree, is called as the biggest side. So this is, here we know that AC is the biggest side. So here we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. For that we do a construction, that is draw BD perpendicular to AC. See here, you have to remember like this. If this is a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree. One angle will be x, the other angle will be 90 minus x. So minus x plus x cancel, 90 90 180. Now you are drawing a line perpendicular. That means BD is perpendicular. Again, perpendicular means you know that it is always 90 degrees. So here you got 190 degree, here you got 190 degree. Okay, now see, in triangle ADB, what it is, this is 90 degree, this is x, and here it will be 90 minus x. This only this triangle. Okay, ABD, this is 90. This is 9x, already we have taken it as x, so this will be 90 minus x. Here already we have written 90 minus x. This is 90 and this will be x for our convenience. So minus plus cancel, again 90 degree you got. One side is x and one side is 90 minus x. Okay, so now we have to go to the proof. So consider triangle. I will write bigger triangle ABC. And see here, writing the alphabets is very important. First I took A, then 90 degree, that is B is 90 degree, and then C. Now I take the smaller triangle. Again I take A and triangle A, which is 90 degree now, D is 90 degree, and then B. See here, angle A is equal to angle A. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is equal to x. Okay, angle B is equal to angle D, that is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle D, 90 degree. Then two angles equal, third angle will naturally be equal. Angle C is equal to angle B, 90 minus x. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. This is the trick you are using in Pythagoras theorem, children. When you write ABC, there are three triangles altogether here, ABC, ABD and BDC. So the bigger triangle with two smaller triangles we have to compare. Okay, so ABC. So I am starting with alphabet A. So the smaller also I have to start with A, and then B is 90 degrees. So I will write 90 degree, and C is the remaining angle. Here B is the remaining angle. So you equate like this. A is equal to common. Both is common, that is x. B is equal to D. They are 90 degrees. And C is equal to B, that is 90 minus x, that is the remaining angle. So how will you write the ratio now? See here, 1 and 2. Okay, here also we take 1 and 2. So how you write here? So we write here AB upon AD is equal to, next 1 and 3 you take, AC upon 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Okay, here we take AD. Always remember this cross multiply, these numbers should be same. So here you got AB square is equal to AC into AD. This is equation 1. Remember, children, first we proved all three angles are equal. We told that they are similar. Now how will you write their sides, ratios? So I will take here AB 1 and 2. Here also you take 1 and 2. AB upon AD. Next AC upon AB 1 and 3. Why I took AB? Because when cross multiplied I should get the square. So AB into AB square is equal to AC into AD. This is equation 1. Okay. Now consider triangle. Again I go to ABC. and triangle. Now see here. Now middle number it is what? Now here angle A is X. Where is angle X here? B. So I will take here B, D and C. Remember B and D 90 degree. A and B it is X. Okay. Angle C equal to angle C. So what I will write? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to how much? Angle A is equal to angle B, that is X. Angle B is equal to angle D, that is 90 degree. Angle C is equal to angle C, that is 90 minus X. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Now first time we took 1 and 2. Now we'll take 2 and 3. That is BC upon DC is equal to 2 and 3. We took here also 2 and 3. Now we will take 1 and 3. AC upon BC. Again cross multiply. BC square is equal to AC into AD. See here we took 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Here we are taking 2 and 3, 1 and 3. Remember the numbers. Okay. For that it will be easy for you. This is equation 2. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So what you get here? So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. This should be DC. AC into DC. So AC is common. Take it outside. AD plus DC. What is AD plus DC here? AD plus DC is nothing but AC. So I can write here AC into AC. That is equal to AC square. So therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay children, I'll repeat this. See here Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Data. What is given? ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. So to prove that AC square, that is the longest side, side opposite to 90 degree is the longest side. So AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. That is the construction we have done. So now consider triangle ABC. So we have three triangles here. So this is 90 degree. So once we have taken X here, the other side you have taken 90 minus X. So when it is with a smaller triangle like this, so what happens? D is 90 degree. A is already X. What happens to this angle? It becomes 90 minus X. Likewise this side also. Already this is 90 minus X. This is 90 degree. So here angle B becomes X. So we have three triangles here. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is X. How you should take this alphabets? Very important children. First we'll write ABC. But writing the smaller angle, so when you are taking this one, here A is their first alphabet. Here also you take it as first alphabet. Then B is 90 degree. So D is also 90 degree. Take it like that. And then the remaining angles. So when you comparing, it will be easy for you. A is equal to A, X. B is equal to D, 90. C is equal to B, 90 minus X. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Okay. So now while writing the ratio, first 1 and 2. AB upon AD, 1 and 3. AC upon AB. Why I took 1 and 3? Because when we cross multiply, I want AB square. So AB square is equal to AC into AD. That is equation 1. Now next one, come to the next triangle. Same thing again, the bigger one is a triangle ABC, the smaller one here. Now B is 90 degree, D is 90 degree, so you have put B in the center, I also put B in the center. So what is angle A? It is X. Where is angle X here? It is for B. So take BDC. So angle A is equal to angle B, X. Angle B is equal to angle D, 90. Angle C is equal to angle C, 90 minus X. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. So now the ratio again. First we have taken 1 and 2. Here we take 2 and 3. Here also 2 and 3. So BC upon DC is equal to 1 and 3 again. AC upon BC, because we want the square. Here BC square is equal to AC into CD. Okay, adding 1 and 2. So LHS you add, you get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. Take AC common. Here it is AD plus DC. So AD plus DC is nothing but AC. So AC into AC, AC square. Therefore you have AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is nothing but Pythagoras theorem, children. You have to write this 5 times and learn it. Okay.